Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to smooth your cursor moving in Camtasia. So for this, you must need to record that clip in Camtasia recorder in order to apply this effect, right? So you can see this is a Camtasia recording here, and let's just try to take a look at the mouse cursor, how it's moving. Okay, I guess I have added the cursor smoothing already. Okay, now let's take a look at the mouse cursor. Now you can see it's moving, and it's not smooth as well, right? And you can see the movement of the mouse cursor. Just take a closer look at the mouse cursor here. Okay, so yep, so that's how exactly I have moved my mouse cursor. Now, if you want to make the movement way more smooth, what you can do is you can go select cursor effect. Now you can see cursor smoothing, right? So select and drag the effect to your Camtasia recording. Now let's try to take a look on the cursor moving. Okay, now here you can see that it's moving smoothly, right? It's not moving like randomly as it was. Okay, now you can see it's the mouse cursor is moving smoothly. So in this way you'll be able to add the cursor moving in your Camtasia screen recording.